Okay, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be drawing a Tyrannosaurus Rex from Jurassic World. And so, yeah, I'm going to be starting about, first you want to have, so we're going to have his, eye section, and it's going to be, around right here. And make sure it's not too high. So, I'm going to make a mark right there. And so, just like that. I'm gonna have that. And so make sure it kind of spikes up right here, and then it's just gonna come down. And so we're gonna have it like that. And we're also just gonna draw this line right there. And so now I'm gonna have another one, a bump right here. And this is just gonna come over here. It's gonna come down right there. I'm gonna have that coming right there. So yeah, just like that. And we're gonna have the other side too. And so I'm gonna have his so this bone thing right here, and it's gonna come that. I think his nostrils right there, and so we can just have all of that stuff. And so yeah, just like that. And I'm gonna have a line right here. So it's just gonna be his eye section part. And so it's just gonna come down over there. And so yeah, just a little something like that. And yeah, I'm gonna have his teeth now. They're gonna come like this. You can draw these with however size you want, but I'm just gonna draw them like that. And so now I am just going to have this on the other side. And make sure I wouldn't recommend drawing them the same size on the other side, because they can just I don't know why, they just look weird when they stick out so much. So I'm just gonna draw them a little bit smaller on the other side. So yeah, there's some lines in there, and we can also add, yeah, that's gonna be right there. This fleshy thing is right there. And yeah, it's just something like that. And so I'm gonna have this coming down. So his jaw is gonna be coming down like that. Oh yeah, this is looking kind of good so far. And I'm gonna have yeah, so I'm pretty sure this is probably gonna be a really okay. So I'm gonna have that. It's gonna be like that. I don't know why. Okay, so like that, more like. And so, okay, so now I'm just going to have, I should have drawn his eye first. I should have drew his eye first, but, so I'm just gonna lightly draw it. Yeah, I think we can wait a little longer. Anyway, so yeah, I also got a comment, why don't you draw the eye? Yeah, because I'm not good at drawing the eye, and I don't want to wreck my picture, so that's why. I'm pretty sure people will go in the comments saying I'm good at drawing the eye. Okay, so this will just come up here. It's gonna go like that. And so just like that. And there's gonna also be like this stuff like right here. And we can also have like some scratches like right here from the abdominis. I don't even know if I should. Yeah, I shouldn't tell you. Yeah, there's gonna be this stuff right here. It's probably not gonna look too good, but whatever. We can just add that right there. Oh yeah, this is like way too small. The neck has to be like way bigger than that. It's like way too small. I don't know what I was doing. So yeah, just like, I don't know why I keep messing up. Because it's just hard to see from all the other races. So just like that. I'm gonna have his neck, bottom of it right here. But the only problem is it's kind of too wide. So it's just gonna be a little bit skinnier. There's that. And so, yeah, just like that. We can also add his tongue in here, which I forgot about doing. Like that. And it's just some teeth. And also, like, if you were wondering, I already made a video of this before, but I mean, the thumbnail, I digital paint. Wait. Alright, so it's gonna be like that. And I am just going to have, I'm gonna have a line right here. Just gonna go right here and just come up there and just like that. And I'll just have a few like lines right here. So yeah, just like that. And so yeah, I forgot about that stuff, so I'm gonna do it. And so yeah, that's gonna be like the neck and head area. And so now I'm gonna move on to the body. So I'm gonna draw the body kind of high up. And so I'm gonna have it like coming up over there. Yeah, it might look weird at first, but it's not gonna look weird. So, yeah, it's gonna be like something like that. Or something a little more like that, but I'm gonna erase that. So I feel like it could be a bit smoother. So it's just gonna come like that. And so, yeah, just like that. So yeah, now his leg is gonna be like coming right here. And so, his arm is just gonna be like this. This other one is gonna be like on the other side. Yeah, so they're not big at all. So I'm gonna have, yeah, this is just gonna come over there. And so now I'm just going to bring that down like that. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna continue drawing the foot, and just gonna come like right here. So the claws right there, and I'm just gonna draw 2 claws. And it comes back here, and I'm just gonna have that right there. And so yeah, this is basically the leg. And so yeah, just like that. And so like he got, like, the T-Rex got scratched right here, and so yeah, I'm gonna have, like, more, like, scratches on the leg, or maybe I want them to be like that. So yeah, just a little bit more like that. And so yeah, now I'm just going to have, so I'm gonna have the tail. So the tail's just gonna come like, maybe like right over here. Oh, wait, no. That's wrong, wait. So, I'm just gonna have like, this coming over here. And so yeah, just gonna come like up here. And so yeah, just gonna be like that. And so yeah, you're wondering, yeah, this is not the full tail, so I'm gonna have like this other section like right here. And so yeah, just that's the full tail. So yeah, and I am just going to yeah, I need to erase that because I want to make it like a little skinnier. And so like it's just gonna like be like that. And yeah, it still looks skinny right here, so yeah, I don't know why the table moves, but this is just gonna like go right there. And so I'm just gonna add another line right there with that. And so yeah, I'm just gonna have the last leg. Okay, what is that sound now? Okay, it was a second it was like less than a second later, and I unpaused the video because the sound just stopped. So so yeah. Also, this needs to touch the ground. So this just comes like right here, maybe. So this is just gonna be like that. But that foot looks like an elephant, so I'm just gonna make it a little skinnier. Yeah, that's still too wide. Instead, I'm just gonna change this part. There are way too many erases in this. So yeah, but I need to make that wider by far, so that's just gonna go up there. So yeah, there's like almost like nothing else that I can add to this except like some shading, but other than that, like there's really nothing else to add. And I hope you enjoyed this video. But the last thing is I just need to add the eye, but I don't know how to do that. So I'm just going to, oh no, I think I drew too hard. So the eye is gonna be like over here. Don't draw it hard, very soft, and if you like it, you can draw it hard. And I like that eye, so I'm gonna draw it hard. But make sure you don't mess up in the process of drawing it hard. So, yeah, just like that. Okay, if you're hearing that, whatever, because it's the end of the video. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this one, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.